Hi guys, welcome to Acer Technical. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Secure Boot is enabled in BIOS but Windows shows Secure Boot as off. Actually this issue happens when Secure Boot keys are not properly installed or when the BIOS settings are not restored to default. So in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, let's confirm the issue by going to Windows Search and type msinfo and press enter. Now the system information window opens. As you can see, the secure boot status shows off, although the secure boot is enabled in the BIOS. Alright, this is exactly the issue we are going to fix. Now we need to restart the laptop and open the BIOS settings. While the laptop is starting, press F2 repeatedly to enter the BIOS settings. Okay, as you can see, we are now inside the BIOS setup. Now go to Boot tab and note the boot mode must be set to UEFI. And note, Secure Boot will not work if the system is using legacy mode. So make sure boot mode is set to UEFI. Once you confirm, next go to Security tab. Here you will see the Secure Boot option. As you can see, Secure Boot is currently enabled. But sometimes Windows still shows it as off because Secure Boot keys are missing or not installed correctly. Inside the Secure Boot settings, look for the option called Restore Factory Keys or Install Default Security Boot Keys. Select that option. After that, the BIOS will restore the default Secure Boot keys required by Windows. Now press F10 or go to Exit tab to save configuration changes and exit from the BIOS. Select Yes to confirm. After that, the system will restart. Once Windows starts again, go to Windows Search and search for msinfo. Now open the system information and as you can see, the Secure Boot status shows on. This means the issue has been successfully fixed. So that's how you fix the issue where Secure Boot is enabled in BIOS but shows off in Windows. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.